All right, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Thursday, February 13th, right before Valentine's Day. And obviously, this is Mike. I'm your host, aka FX Dinero, right? Certified nearly $1 million fund trader, guys, which can be verified here, right? No, you don't know. This is obviously WB Trading's live session, guys. And again, if you didn't know, WB Trading actually has a record of making nearly 80% of our traders profitable, guys. Been doing this for nearly a decade, all right? So trust us to know what we're doing when we say these things. So check us out, check us out. But yeah, this can be verified here. Obviously, nearly $1 million, probably crack that in like the next few days, hopefully. Um, but cool, let's jump right into the chart, guys. We'll make this pretty quick today. Uh, oh, I don't have my, what's the name up here? Okay, no worries. All right. So let's jump right into this, right? Um, come on, come on, come on. All right. So firstly, what I always like to do, is you guys already know, is I like to start with the journal, right? But first, let's see, we got any major news going on? And it looks like right now there's major news, GDP, right? Right now. Then again at 2:30. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Right. All right, so let's check this out, guys. Jumping right into it. Whoa. Looks like we can have some action. Right. That was super quick. Luis, that was super quick. All right. Let's do this really quick. Already knowing that they're going, and I'm just going to do GU today. I'm already knowing that in the next few moments, the bot should take this trade, right? Let's see what's going on. Oh, let's take it over one. Yeah, this is definitely about to breach this. Let's see. Yep, very first candle. And let's see what's going on here. This is either going to go great and quick, or this is going to be a disaster. One of the two. Either way, we have to just let our probabilities play out. Either way, win, lose, or draw, right? Looks like that's how the cookie's gonna crumble today. So let's see. Oh, this is actually kind of close. Cutting this pretty close. We'll see. The bot might take this here in the next 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We will know here very shortly. All right, let's see. Oh, and it took it. I heard it. All right. And the bot just took this trade. right? We got an entry. Entry price is 25.16, right? And what price is it? Pretty much the same, 25.16. All right. Well, that was super quick. Yes, it was news. It was. What do we just look at? Uh, CPI news. Yes, 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 yes. Man, my keyboard's a little sticking today. Gotta check that out, see what's going on. G monster trade candle, not chasing that. I don't blame you. I literally do not blame you. But either way, we just gotta play the probabilities. Let me get back to this. Okay, let's see where this thing put this stop at. That's what I'm curious to know. Stop loss is at 24.94. Oh, that's not good. That is not a good stop loss for buy. It should have been more like here, right? Actually, let's just see what this is. Yeah, it should have been more like 87, 24.87. And to be honest, yeah, this is actually not a good trade on. Yeah, this had 30, right? Yeah, this is 30. Really want to go for 45, right? So let's say it's at 30. You're trying to go for 45. Yeah, this went past the ADR, so it is actually supposed to be a pass. Yeah. Whoa. Supposed to be a pass. Oh, and the CPX. Yeah, this is not good. This should technically not be taken. I think that that news candle just tricked the bot. That's really what happened. So I'm gonna notate this. But should not get taken. All right, quick day, guys. That's pretty much it. Not e-bot. That's why I prefer not to use them. I don't blame you. They're great when it works. Sucks when it doesn't. Sounds just like some technology stuff. Hey, good morning, Dennis. All right, guys. Really quick, what I will do is I will mark up GJ really quick since this happened. Let's see what GJ looks like. Really quick. Uh, one might not be too good either, but let's see. We'll check this out. Check this out. Wasn't gonna do this one, but again, since that happened, let's check it out. All right. Hey, good morning. Morning, Anto. Matter of fact, you just reminded me to drop these. I can drop the strings on here for you really quick. Whoa, it's always so weird when that happens. All right. Cut off time. All right, high to low. Not what we want to wait. And then ATR. And then overnight high. And overnight low. All right, then what I want to do is, right, I'm gonna put it like this. And then 45 pips is here. Right, so that should be pretty clear for everybody. All right, sweet. And then let me do GJ really quick. All right, I'll do GJ really quick. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm gonna jump off here in a second. No questions, no questions. No worries. All right, and then on this one, this was 213, right? Let's see. All right. Oh, this one might be okay. All right, so we get a breach on GJ, will be decent. Right. All right. 213. Close enough. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right, and then really quick, I need to done and dusted for the day, man. See you tomorrow. See ya. All right, really quick. Start time, end time, and then cutoff time. I just like to mark these up for the group. Someone who really liked this, so I'll keep going. ATR low equals the two. What is 210? I believe it was. I think it was 208, but we'll just leave it here. Whoops. All right. Overnight high and overnight low. Oops. Move that. All right, sweet. All right, cool. GJ is in play. Why would you say that? Why is that? I'm curious to know. All right, guys. What time do you set for the overnight for GBP USD? Um, so for me, I'm Eastern, so it's a good question. R Red Kusaki. For me, it is. You can see it right here, right? 16 to 155. So I'm 5 hours ahead. So this is exactly where you want to put these at. GMT time. What time is that GMT time? I'm drawing a blank right now. So for me, it is 4 Eastern to 1:55 a.m. Eastern. So 4 p.m. to 1:55 Eastern in the morning, whatever time that would be. That's fine. Easy. Oh, okay, perfect. So yeah, 4 p.m. Eastern to 1:55 is when I'm setting these ranges. Pretty bad week for GU. Eh, yeah, give or take. We had a little run. Um, let's see, we can go here in the journal. All right. So yeah, we had a nice run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe it was 7. I know you lost the last 1, 2, 3, 4. That's trading for you, for sure. I'm still up 12R for the year though. So yeah, you want to look at this in probabilities in essence. Like the small losses day to day don't really matter. Yeah, they suck. That's true. But yeah, just always know over time it'll end up being profitable, which is the most important thing, right? Cool. So really quick, let's just jump into the advanced stuff really quick. I just like to go through these so I can see what New York would look like, right? As you can see, well, I'll get to this one in a second once we get there. So starting with NAS 100. Wait, NAS 100 is nothing. This is just kind of choppy, as I mentioned yesterday. And same for the next two as well. So US 30, same thing. It's kind of hovering in the same area for like the last few days here. Same thing with S&P 500. It's just all three of them are in the same little range. Gold just continuously making highs. Luis, I know you crushed gold today, so that's awesome. Kudos on that. Silver. This was here yesterday. This didn't give me a good real confirmation. So I did not take this trade, even though this started to go. It was later in the day. I didn't really like that. I wanted to set up a lot quicker. It set up really late in the day, so this was a pass for me. Crude oil. This is just no man's land. There's literally nothing there. Bitcoin, as I always say, I would not be interested in shorting Bitcoin at all. And this is on the short side because of the 5200 cross to the downside. And as you can see, it's just sitting in this range here for forever now, right? The same range for the most part. So that is nothing. The pesos, same exact thing. This thing's sitting around $20.52. That's for me. I just like to look at that so I know the exchange rate here in Mexico. And then Euro USD, right? So this was trying to set up yesterday. This is not right, basically. We're looking for the first M off the 200, right, which would have been here, not a second one in a row like that. And I just showed this for people who are checking this out. This is why you can't take the trades without confirmation, because what will happen? You get stopped out, right? So this is really just for me to show my guys and traders in New York session later, right? So that is nothing. EJ is nothing. It's just going. Same thing for your CAD. This is nothing. Euro NZD is nothing. Yeah, EG, Euro GBP is nothing as well. Euro AUD, this is nothing. GU on this particular setup, this is nothing. GJ on this particular setup, this is nothing. GA, oh, this could turn into something later on. I'm going to set an alert right here. Right? This is not bad for a New York session. And I'll just put him off the 200, right? Because that's what setup it is. For this particular advance, there's 5 different setups, and this will be one of them. So I'm looking for this to come down, and I would be interested in shorting this. Why? I already have my 5200 cross. The next thing I'm looking for is some type of M pattern, right? To go short to here. Stops will be here. Entry will be here below the 50, and take profit will be down here. So I'll be interested in that in New York session if this sets up. Other than that, what else you got? You guys got any questions? Let me know. We're gonna jump off here in a quick second. Please still take the same risk in the next trade if you have these 3 losing in a row. Absolutely. Every single trade is the same. I'm doing risking 1%. Profit, the TP is 1.5. So yeah, I literally can lose 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 trades in a row, and yeah, that would suck. That would give me some, the book wouldn't look as clean. But again, I'm more focused on executing my process. My process says no matter what, I show up every day, I execute the trade. That's the process. Simple as that. So to answer your question, absolutely. GC, same exact thing. I am looking for this as well. Right, and reason being, same thing. I got my 5200 cross. I'll be looking for some type of M structure here. To go short, stops will be above here, entries below the 50, TP will be somewhere here, right? That's what I will be interested in New York session on GC if this confirms, right? GN is nothing. This is hideous. GF is nothing. UCAT is nothing. It's just sitting in the same space as ranging, as you can see. It's just sitting in the same space. I would imagine this has a lot to do with this trade war. Things in Canada are a little bit funky, right along with the U.S. So this is why this is kind of stagnant here. UF, this is nothing. UJ is nothing. ACAT is absolutely nothing. And U is nothing. And C is nothing. Nothing on NF. Wow, nothing on AU. Nothing on AF. EF is ugly. CAT yen is ugly. FJ is ugly. CAT Swiss. I can see this super quick, guys. I've been doing this for super long time. I can see exactly where I need to be and exactly where I am in the process. AN is nothing. AJ is nothing. And then NJ is nothing. So that's all low. We're back at the top in that's 100. So that is it on the event stuff. Jumping back to the session momentum strategy, guys. All right. If you got any questions, let me know. We're going to jump off here in a second. As always, guys, if you have not already, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so every time we go live, you guys will know right away. And then obviously, if you guys want to join for free, the Discord for free, kind of check things out, take a peek under the hood, as I always say. I will drop the link for that in this video. That'll be the first link to check out the Discord for free. If you want to just jump right in, guys, and get access to the pro community, where of course we go over the strategy. So we'll give you step-by-step, super in-depth, how you actually execute this strategy. The session